Here I have HTC U11 Life, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, like you can set it to turn out automatically at 5% battery or at 15% battery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.